Hi. Hi.
Tim.
Oh, we used to live down the street, so we came here for all of our gardening. And then we found out last year that they had Christmas trees, and we were super stoked. And we showed up on a cold, rainy day, and they came to us with warm cups of hot cocoa. And we had a wonderful experience last year, so we promised we'd be back again this year.
Well, she said that it looked like you guys were having a contest, and she was really excited. We
Our
have
daughter,
our
not me.
three-year-old,
Not
our
me.
three-year-old daughter said it looked like they're having a contest. But yeah, it's just a really nice vibe. The lighting is really pleasant.
It's very welcoming.
Very welcoming, yeah. Oh, well.
It doesn't compare.
Yeah, the box stores, or even those like the little pop-up tree stands. It's just really hectic, and
it's not as personable.
it's not a lot of fun. It's just trying to, get in and get out. Whereas here, everybody's really friendly, and there's things for kids to do, and pictures, and s'mores, and fires.
They make you feel like they want you to stay a while.
Yeah.
And it's super reasonably priced too.
Yeah, way more reasonable. Yeah.
100%. Yes.
Oh, definitely, yeah, for sure. Anywhere.
Drive out to Donelson.
No, oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Kid is acting up. But no, yeah, absolutely. Highly recommend it. We've
No
already
matter where you are.
recommended it to other friends as well. Yeah.
soon as I walked in, it's almost like the essence of Christmas was just captured in this one little corner of Nashville, which was pretty amazing. It's beautiful. It's genius. I love it. It's just like the spirit of Christmas just captured right here. Absolutely. This place has it all. Like, it just, come here to get your tree. It just makes sense.
I think we got on a site about some of the best places to buy Christmas trees in Nashville, and we live in Donelson, so yes. We were like, that's where we're going.
Oh, it's way better. We did that for a few years before we knew about this place, and it's just much more family friendly. It's very inviting. The trees are better. The selection is better.
And it's much more personal.
Yeah.
And we just made s'mores and had hot chocolate, and we get our picture taken, so it's like a whole great experience. It's just really festive and friendly.
You're not here very long before somebody comes out and asks you how you're doing and if they can help you. So.
And it's great that it's local. It's where we live. We love to support them. I like to come here in other seasons as well because everything they do here is so great. So.
Just that you're not going to find a better place.
Well, you'll go back every year once you come here.
Yeah. I think this is our 5th year now. So,
yes, easily. So there's just no contest. This is the place to be.